Good morning. Today is April 6th. Monday, April 6th. Yes, you have work to do. Please do your work. If you have any questions, please leave comments on your Google Classroom. I don't know. I'm just looking up. Yeah, I miss y'all. I really do. I like hanging out with these two, but I miss y'all a little bit more sometimes because they're always with me. Huh? Phase 3. Oh, yes, I'm with my husband. I'm going crazy. You know how I am. So, I miss y'all very much. Please do your work. Make sure you go into other classrooms and do the other work as well. Not just one subject, do all subjects. You don't have school on Friday. Yay, no school on Friday. That means you don't have to log into Google Classroom. What else? Yeah, no school Friday. You don't have to log into Google Classroom unless your parents make you. Then do that. We have office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 and at 1. But this Tuesday, however, we're going to have to do it at like 11 and 1 just because I have a meeting. So we will change that time and I will put it on the classroom later. So have a good day. Bye.
Bye, Kipsters.
Bye what?
Bye, Kipsters.
Oh, bye, Kipster.